Okay. Just point this out. Got this plaque today.
Wait, say it again.
We're gonna open it.
Say it again.
Got a special package from YouTube. We're gonna open it right now. Follow me! Watch out. Watch out, buddy. Come down, come closer. What is it? Just kidding, I know what it is. I had to order it. Are you ready? Come on. You guys ready? Oh, it's styrofoam! Nice! Okay, you ready? Come close, come close. Got a little message here. You've just done something very few YouTube creators can accomplish. Hit 100,000 subscribers. Susan from YouTube. Look at this. Oh, it looks so good. Whoa. It's got a nice weight. Dang. Whoa, it's so shiny. It looks like a mirror finish. Presented to Alex Lee, passing 100,000 subscribers. That's crazy. That's crazy. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna put it on my wall. But yeah, that's awesome. Thanks so much. Next is the million one. So excited. This is like nice paper. Show him.